Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder. Today we're diving into a report from Collective Audience, and let me tell you, the plot twist involves accountants. It's like a financial thriller, but with less action and more spreadsheets. Scrolling states currencies and exchange come scroll. This is a Form 8K filing which companies use to announce major events. Think of it as the corporate world's way of saying breaking news. It's dated April 3, 2025. Okay, here's where it gets interesting. The big news is a change in accountants. Effective April 4, 2025, Collective Audience decided to switch its independent registered public accounting firm. Basically, they hired a new company to check their financial statements. The new firm is called Bowledale, Lowell & Co. Chartered Accountants, or BL for short. They'll be looking at the financial records for the year ending December 31, 2024, plus some stuff in 2025 too. It's like getting a new detective to solve the financial mystery. Scroll accordingly on April 3 Cascrell SO. What happened to the old accounting firm Green Growth CPAs, or GG? Well, they were told on April 3, 2025 that their services were no longer needed. It's like being benched right before the big game. Scrolling, the fiscal year ended up in December 31, 2024, and the interim period scroll. Now, here's a key point. The company claims there were no disagreements with Green Growth CPAs about how the numbers were presented or anything like that. These disagreements, in accountant speak, are serious and mean they didn't get along on accounting principles. Also, there were no reportable events. These are things that the accountants would have to tell everyone about. Scroll G did not provide an audit trop report to the company during its service scroll. And here's a little wrinkle. Green Growth CPIs didn't actually provide an audit report during their time with the company. That's kind of unusual. Scroll during the fiscal year ended as to December 31, 2024, and the interim period from January 1, 2025 to March 31. 2025 to March 31, 25 to March 31, 2025 to March 31, Chabrika, Scroll USB EU 2025 choices before hiring them. That's important because it shows the new firm wasn't influencing any decisions beforehand. Scroll a letter from GG will be to an amendment to this current report on Form 8K as Exhibit 16. One kind here, scroll, to make sure everything is above board. Green Growth CPAs is writing a letter to the SEC. This letter will say whether they agree with what the company is saying about why they were replaced. We'll get to see that letter later as an exhibit, Scroll exhibit. Filing also mentions an exhibit related to this change. Okay, so what does all this mean? Well, changing accountants isn't always a red flag, but it's something to pay attention to. Sometimes it's just a matter of finding a better fit. Other times it can signal deeper problems. The fact that the previous firm didn't provide an audit report is also a bit strange. It makes you wonder what was going on behind the scenes. From what we can see, Collective Audience didn't explain exactly why they changed the accountant. However, they did say there was no issue with the accounting firm. Is Collective Audience in trouble? It's hard to say for sure, based on this report alone. We'd need to dig deeper into their financials and see if there are any other warning signs. As always, do your own research and don't just take my word for it. Thanks for watching. If you found this breakdown helpful, please like, comment and subscribe for more Corporate Decoder insights.